morning, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Welcome to Brigadier's Truth Art. Today morning, we have something very, very important to discuss. Last night, at the strike of the midnight hour, there was another very strong strike carried out by India. And that was a winning four scored by Rinku Singh to make India champions in the Asia Cup. Well, ladies and gentlemen, Asia Cup is being played for quite some time now, and there have been a lot of controversies between India-Pakistan matches. Indians tooth and nail opposed Indian team's participation in the tournament on the pretext that we will not play Pakistan a match. However, India's growing stature as a world power, etc., those consideration, government probably allowed it. But I think in the hindsight, I was also a great opposer of this match. But it's good that we did. We beat Pakistan, rather thrashed Pakistan all the three times. And we are the only unbeaten team in the entire tournament. And we've beaten Pakistan in style. Like what happened yesterday was Operation Tilak. Tilak Verma's knock made India win. And he was adjudged as the player of the match. So we said it was an Operation Tilak. And it was an Operation Tilak to augment Operation Sindoor. Operation Sindoor, where India thrashed Pakistan, Pakistani terrorists and terrorist establishments and the promoters. So it was a befitting reply India gave it to Pakistan. Controversies, yes, India refused to shake hands with them and Pakistanis revolted. Pakistanis went on to say that remove the match referee, and then they, against the rules, they video recorded the meeting with the match referee, which I am sure ICC would be looking into it. They would suspend the Pakistani Cricket Board for this. And thereafter, all such things kept happening. But yesterday, something very, very interesting happened. The presentation ceremony was delayed by more than an hour. BCCI, in unequivocal terms, conveyed to the Asian Cricket Council that India is the champion and we will not accept tournament trophy from the ACC chairman, Mohsin Naqvi. Now, who is this Mohsin Naqvi? Mohsin Naqvi is the chairman of the Asian Cricket Council. Mohsin Naqvi is the chairman of Pakistani Cricket Board. Mohsin Naqvi is the Interior Minister of Pakistan. Mohsin Naqvi is part of the establishment which promotes, which sends the terrorists into India. Mohsin Naqvi is the man who has blood on his hands, blood of so many innocents in Pahalgam and others as well. So Mohsin Naqvi was himself a man of controversy. Surya Kumar Yadav, Indian captain, took the right decision, or rather BCCI took the right decision not to receive trophy from his hands. And he was well informed about it. But then he didn't budge. He said, no, I will do it. Indian team did not go to take medals from him. Indian captain did not go up to take a trophy from him. And rightly so. And what did he do? He waited for 20 minutes. He waited for 20 minutes. And thereafter he walked off to his hotel room along with the trophy and the medals. Look at the kind of a nonsense behavior that is shown. He could have well told his vice chairman to do the honors, but he did not do it. And Indians gave him a befitting reply. Indian team yet celebrated the tournament. They celebrated the victory with a gesture of holding the trophy in the hands. Now BCCI will go and see what happens. I'll speak to the ICC. How will the trophy be brought back to India? But point is, India won the trophy and Pakistanis took it home. What a nonsense kind of a thing at all. And Indian team, yes, they celebrated the way they would have celebrated otherwise also. And in the post-match press conference, Surya Kumar Yadav very rightly said that if he did not get a trophy here, doesn't matter. We've done so many small things. We had small victories over Pakistanis during the matches. Those are our trophies. And then he even went on to say that I dedicated all my match fees for the entire tournament, for all the matches that he's played, to the Indian Army. That is how our team stands with the Indian Army. Whole nation stands with the Indian Army. Indian Army has done wonders against Pakistan. And same has been augmented by the cricket team as well. As I said, Indian Army did Operation Sindoor, and what Surya Kumar Yadav led Indian team did Operation Tilak. And that was a befitting reply to the cartoon put up by a Pakistani player, wherein he insulted all the Indian women by one Pakistani player putting a sindoor in somebody's head. That was all nonsense. We've replied to them. And then what did the Pakistani captain went on to say? He also had to do something, in retaliation. He said, I give the entire match fee of my team to the civilians who were killed in Operation Sindoor. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, there were no civilians who were killed in Operation Sindoor. There were only terrorists. There were terrorists in Markaz-e-Taiba. There were terrorists in Markaz-e-Subhanallah and other terrorist training camps. They were the ones who were casualties. So if that happens, what happens? He has dedicated the entire money to reconstruct those terrorist training camps. He's given the entire money to the terrorists. Rather, he's augmenting the terror ecosystem prevalent in the Pakistani soil. And he's helping those guys to come again and get back to India once again. But then we will not spare them this time. Operation Sindoor is on. And Prime Minister Modi has drawn red lines very clearly. Any event will be replied. World is with us. Whole world has been diplomatically made aware of all the situation. And if India takes a strong action, I'm sure nobody will oppose us. As it is, everybody is with us. They have all shown sympathy towards Operation Sindoor. They have shown sympathy to the victims of Pahalgam attack. And even in SCO summit, they have added the joint declaration says that they condemn Pahalgam terror attack. So where does Pakistan stand? Whether it is on the battlefield or it is on cricket field. So that is how we had. Our boys have done a good job. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat ki Sena.
Please like and subscribe.